Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best backyard sprinklers that are available on the market. Actually, I made this list based on their quality, price, popularity, durability, user opinion, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to view future videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have Backyard Sprinklers Inflatable Punching Bag Sprinkler. For those of you who have extremely active preschoolers, may we introduce you to the Sprinkler Punching Bag Combo? This 2-in-1 outdoor fun zone is essentially a kangaroo blow-up punching bag that also connects to a water sprinkler. The water emerges from either side and the top of the bag, adding fun to the battle. The inflatable toy bounces back again and again mid-battle, and is built to last. The eco-friendly toxin-free PVC is scratch and tear resistant to hold up to every punch. Moving on at number 4, we have Inflatable Unicorn Sprinkler. Everyone will find something to love with this special backyard sprinkler for kids. If there's one guaranteed way to make outdoor water play even better, it's by tossing a unicorn into the mix. This 5-foot, 3-inch unicorn is easy to inflate and connect to garden hoses, and is made from high-quality, extra durable material, the better to withstand all of the love sure to be headed its way. At number 3, we have Sunny Patch Pretty Petals. This Melissa and Doug sprinkler will add a pretty burst of color to your lawn, featuring 12 pink flowers on a bright green base, all of which squirt water. The whimsical sprinkler attaches easily to any standard garden hose and is ready to go. Melissa and Doug toys are designed to nurture creativity and learning, and the company prioritizes hands-on, interactive play that gives kids a break from screen time. With the Pretty Petals sprinkler, the flowers water you. This sweet and whimsical outdoor sprinkler features pretty pink flowers on a green base, all made from durable materials. It attaches easily to a hose for outdoor fun for the whole family, as well as an adorable way to water the garden. The sprinkler encourages outdoor active play and helps develop coordination. For more than 30 years, Melissa and Doug has created beautifully designed imagination and creativity sparking products that NBC News called the gold standard in early childhood play. At number 2, we have 3-in-1 Splash Pad. This versatile sprinkler also serves as a miniature pool and splash pad. It's BPA and phthalate-free, and the spacious 60-inch diameter means your tot and a few pals will have plenty of room to spread out. The base of this splash pad features a child-friendly world map, with counties clearly labeled, popular tourist attractions identified, like the Statue of Liberty, the Sydney Opera House, and Egypt's Great Pyramid in Giza, plus sea creatures and land animals, and more. It's also available with a United States map and a rendering of the solar system. All are recommended for kids ages 3 and up. And finally at number 1. Fido the Fire Dog Hydrant Water Sprinkler. If you have a small space, but are thirsty for serious sprinkler relief, you may want to adopt Fido. This fire hydrant only stands well under 1 foot, but it packs serious power, making it a great option for those who don't want a giant inflatable beast drawing stares from neighbors. The hydrant attaches to any standard hose and is said to send water up 10 feet in the air. This sprinkler is also made of heavy-duty plastic and is not inflatable, so it's generally more durable than some of its puffed-up buddies. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helps you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can comment down. I hope back to you as soon as possible.